Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI project tutorials. This video is the introductory video for the email marketing dataset analysis project. This project is based upon a dataset that is taken from the list of the subscribers for the email newsletters, and it can be used for analysis for the email marketing purposes. This dataset has around 10,000 records and it contains varied information patterns and constraints like the physical features, the location, the status of the individuals who have subscribed for the email newsletter. Depending on this, we will analyze the whole dataset and try to find out a report or a visualization to find out the target age, the target category and the target residence location of the individuals who are most likely to subscribe to the email newsletter. So for your reference, I have already created one Power BI report. This is exactly what we would be creating by the end of this particular project. So let us have a look at this. This is the report that we are getting, and as you can see, there are a number of factors that are affecting the way or that are affecting the decisions of the people, like the gender, living status, the active users, the marital status, the enrollment time, the enrollment year, the location, that is their state, and the location again, that's their city. Further, we have some of the numbers that tell us that there are around 10,000 active users, out of which almost 50% are from the state of Telangana. So that is the target region or the location where we want to go for the marketing. So that's all for the introductory video. Let us start with how we are going to process this report.